It's another round of dog wrestling. Ding ding.
He's fast, eh?
Yeah, he is.
Yes, okay. Oh, he's being submissive to her.
She got him down.
Look, he's being submissive to her. Well, he's tucking himself out, too.
I know that running. Oh, yeah.
Oh, get him out of there.
Yeah, you stay there. Oh, never
oh,
mind. He was just a little Get him! Come on, get him, girl! Get him, girl! Come on, get him! Get him! Get him!
Hey, he's being submissive to her. You know what? She may domineer him, you know.
Look at that. Well, it just proved it to you, folks. Don't always be afraid of the big dogs. Sometimes be afraid of the little dogs. Because look at that.
He's faster, though.
Yeah, but she's powerfuler. Nope, not a good choice. Because then she'll do that.
Well, he tires himself out.
And then she does that.
This is why it's good to have two dogs,
Imagine,
brother and sister.
Imagine if we had 4 dogs that were brother and sisters.
Yeah.
Like 2 girls, 2 boys.
You're only allowed to have 3.
Really? Because a girl one time had 10 dogs.
No, unless you're a breeder,
You can't have more than 3.
you can't have more than 3 yet.
Because you're going to be getting dogs and selling them. Whoa, look at that. The black one is a boy and the brown one is a girl. And it looks like that the girl is winning.
So just don't let him get over into the lane.
I won't let him get away into the Christmas tree. Don't want him to smash into the Christmas tree.
How long did they do this before?
Oh, quite a while.
Yeah?
Where are you going? You need to fight. Go get him.
You know, she's domineering him, you know.
Well, she's going with me. She's not going to blend with it. Whoa.
He does blend in. You can barely see him.
And that's why she went over there, because she thought that he ran over there, because he ran over there before. Ooh.
Oh, she's submissive now.
She's getting tired. Yeah, she's getting tired. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, they're getting tired.
That's pretty tiring.